Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we have this 2007 Ford Crown Victoria. It is a railroad police. The guy here, he's not working for the railroad police, but he acts as the railroad police. Don't want to be mean, but the dude's a whack job. All right, let's see, let's take a look around. So he's got some sort of train horn hooked up. Let's see if it works. That was loud. Wow, my ears are bleeding. Look inside real quick. Stop doing. Okay, he's got some knives. He's got a tactical persuader stick. You know, when you get in those sticky situations during traffic jams. Yeah, looks like it's been used a little bit. I'm not even gonna ask him about that. Okay, looks like he's got a Cobra 19 Ultra 3. I don't even know what that is. This is his center console. He probably puts this on right before he hits that train horn. It's got some sort of light back here. Two of them. Santa Cruz gun locks. The antennas. Looks like he smokes Marlboros. Looks like he got a ticket. Let's go around. All right, let's see what's on this side. Junior officer stickers that he passes out during the job. Like I said, he is a wannabe railroad police. I don't want to be too mean because he might watch this video. Campbell Junior police officer stickers. Smells cheap. Ashtray. Looks like little doobies in there. Okay. All right, let's check out the back. This is a cool antenna. This is a police jacket. Pretty cool. Rain jacket. All right, guys, so this guy let me have this, which is pretty cool. I think it's a little dirty, but it's all good. It's a nice real police thing. Hey, funny man, give me back my car. Hey! That bastard. You. So guys, here it is. Taylor. He is, let me see the jacket, turn around. Cool. This is very interesting what Taylor does. He is a railroad police cop, but he's not officially employed by the city. You want to explain to me?
I'm officially employed by the city. I'm not officially employed by the railroad. I just kind of stick around their property because you see the way the California state laws work is that you cannot be pretending to be an officer on public property, but the railroads are within their own private property because they own their own land. So as long as I post up on their property and look for people that are stupid and doing things that they aren't supposed to be doing, I can yell at them.
Okay. But so you just drive around with this thing and like give them tickets and stuff?
Little tickets on like a little notepad saying, hey, don't do this again, or else I'll have to do something about it. Or
yeah. And yeah,
little
okay.
warning tickets.
Okay, you want to show me what's in this trunk?
It's inside the trunk. I got to hold it open over here with this extension and a socket. But I got my spare tire, my first aid kit, my tool kit, road flares, jumper cables. Got my air tank, my air compressor.
That's where you keep your special juice?
Yep. So I get fresh drinking water. I'll spend 2 to 3 to 5 days at a time out of my car.
Right. And what is this?
It's Glock 45.
Check it out, guys. This is a 45 auto training rubber gun. It used to be blue, but looks like you painted it black.
Well, it's got to not stand out so much at night, you know.
Okay, so
I gotta feel intimidating.
Yeah, right. I mean, so when you have this in your pocket like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, cool. This is pretty cool though. It feels good.
Oh, you can pistol whip somebody with that for sure.
Yeah, and it's like it has hard plastic. See that? Okay, BART, Bay Area Rapid Transit. Yep. Just so the people out there who don't know what BART stands for.
First aid box.
First aid, cool. Those are always handy to have here around the shop.
Oh yeah.
Looks like you have dynamites here. Oh, is that dynamite holder?
Those are the regular flares, and then I got the big guys that were given to me by a CHP officer.
Oh, nice, nice. Boom! What is this?
To be honest with you, I don't know what the hell it does. It's just kind of, I think it's supposed to go over the center console in Crown Vics for like.
Oh, really? I was thinking more of a leg brace.
That's what I thought too.
Yeah.
The way the I-beams are set up, it looks like it could just sit right there on the center console.
Yeah. Maybe anybody out there knows what that is. I appreciate the input. It's pretty much it, huh? Is that your you got a prescription for those?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Sleeping medication I've been on since I was like 4, so.
Sleeping medication?
Yeah.
Holy crap! You have a hard time sleeping?
It's.
Oh, you sleep too much.
I don't sleep enough.
Oh, you. Oh, wait.
Insomnia.
Insomnia. Yeah. I have that
Don't
confused with the other word.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about, but I can't think of it.
Yeah. There's these pills that you take so that you don't fall asleep.
Yeah.
And I heard that if you don't need it and you take it, it makes you super smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could believe it.
I think it's called modafinil.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna try that one of these days. Here, rain boots. Reflector things. Police stickers. Ooh, Vallejo Police. I used to live there. Dixon, Stockton. Cool. He just needs a Crown Ricardo patch in here. It's about the only thing missing. All right, let's check out his setup. Got a horn, a wheeling responder. Cool. Antenna. This thing. What the heck is this? Nathan air chime. Like a train horn. Alright, so he's gonna start this baby up. Looks like he's got his exhaust right here, which is kind of strange. Railroad police. Put these babies on. No, these radios work. What do they do? Do they just...
CB radio / PA system, which is what that speaker up there does. And then just AM FM radio, gun racks, cage. This was an ex-Vacaville Police Department car.
Tell your face. Ex-Vacaville?
Yeah.
And then that, what does that toggle to?
This is for the light up above. This is for my air compressor for my horn.
Oh, nice.
Turns the compressor on in the back.
Cool. Nice. Clean, dirty but clean.
Gotta load that hot air intake.
Oh yeah. What is this? Strange. Oh, you heading out? Okay. That dude is a straight whack job, bro. That dude is a whack job. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, watch out, he's coming back. He's coming back. Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm gonna go hide for him. The winner of the ankle cuffs, leg irons, aka shackles, have not been claimed. These have not been claimed. You may be the winner. I'm pulling myself over.